Hello, I'm Maker Arm, the world's first multifunctional robotic arm that fits anywhere in your workspace. I have changeable tool heads that allow me to do some really neat stuff, and I can help my humans make just about anything. I can 3D print freely since I don't live in a box. I can auto-level so my humans don't have to. I can make things up to 30 inches long and 10 inches tall on any flat surface. I can make high-quality 3D prints with both filament and resin. But I can do a lot more than just 3D printing. I'm great at building the next big thing, like this. I can cut sheets and 3D print corners. I can pick and place sheets and panels together and create a custom PCB. I can solder, assemble components. I can even work with fellow Maker Arms. Voila! Here's our finished project, the custom laptop. I can be operated wirelessly on all of your devices. Plus, my humans can teach me tricks and send me remote instructions. I was made for creative people everywhere. I can make really impressive toys, paint on canvas and fabric, and create custom invites. I can etch glass, engrave plastic and leather, carve metal, and wood. I can also plot designs. And yes, I can even decorate cakes. Another cool thing, my humans can design their own custom tool heads for me. It feels great helping my humans build their dreams, and I would love to see Maker Arms in labs, garages, and tinkering stations everywhere. That's why I'm here on Kickstarter. My makers have spent 2 years perfecting me and my fellow Maker Arms. Right now we are working prototypes and need to be manufactured so we can be on our way to all you humans. With your help, together we can make anything, anywhere.
Hi, I'm David Lang.
And I'm Eric Stackpole. We're here to tell you about OpenROV.
OpenROV is an open-source remotely operated vehicle, or ROV, that can be controlled from the surface while relaying live video and other data to the operator as it flies. It weighs 2.5 kilograms and is about the size of a shoebox. That's small enough to test in your bathtub, yet large enough to add payloads like cameras and sensors. The intention of the project is to create an ROV that is low cost and easy enough for anyone to build, but that is still capable of doing relevant scientific research and exploration. OpenROV is propelled by 3 off-the-shelf brushless motors, 2 in the back which allow it to move forward and aft as well as turn, and 1 vertical thruster which allows the neutrally buoyant ROV to change depth. 2 battery packs on the bottom of the ROV provide it with around an hour and a half of runtime, as well as counterweight the thrusters and act as ballast. Between the battery packs is a payload bay, where up to 4 threaded rods spaced 50 millimeters apart can be inserted to accept a wide variety of payloads. Electronics for the ROV are contained in a single acrylic tube. Inside this tube, an onboard computer hosts live video from a webcam and sends commands to an Arduino microcontroller that interfaces with the motor controllers and other hardware on board. Because bulky tethers can significantly impede the agility of an ROV, we've developed a way to communicate 10BASE-T Ethernet data over a single twisted pair of wire using an off-the-shelf part. The entire interface for the ROV is hosted from the robot itself, so instead of installing software, you just plug the tether into your Ethernet port, Log on to the ROV's IP address through Chrome or Firefox and fly.
OpenROV is completely open source and open hardware, meaning we've published all the design, schematics, and code on the website and invite co-developers to help make it better. It's definitely a maker product at this point, but we think that by being an open hardware project and developing this with the community, that we can create an open source ROV that's capable of serious scientific research. We've come a long way, and we still have a long ways to go. The next step is to get more of these open ROVs out into the wild, into the hands of makers and tinkerers around the world.
So far, we've driven the ROV down to depths of about 20 meters and have operated it in ocean water without encountering failure, but we're still unsure of exactly what it can do. Our goal is to crowdsource testing and development by making these kits available to people who want to help. We believe that ocean exploration shouldn't require a research grant. It should require curiosity. Although OpenROV is still a work in progress, we believe that what we're developing can revolutionize how underwater discoveries are made.
We're excited to have you as part of the adventure.
So check out the reward levels and let us know if you have any questions.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Olof. I'm the founder of Pins Collective. During the last year we have created this. It's the world's first digital pin. With this you can create, wear and share any kind of digital pattern that you wish. Just open up the app and choose from one of your friends or followers' designs. Or why not design one of your own pin in the creator? Here you can choose any color, text or pattern. You can also take a picture or upload one from your library. Our team has created prototypes of the pin in the app. Now we need you to join Pins Collective and become part of our extended team. Please support us on Kickstarter and help us reach our goals.
Hey guys, I'm Omri, CEO of LiveBeam. We're proud to introduce V. It will transform the way you run, work out, and live healthy. V is the first true AI personal trainer, ready to help you lose weight, maintain your fitness, run your first miles, or push you to new limits. She lives in biosensing earphones. Put them on, and she comes to life.
V, heart rate.
130 beats per minute, a little below your zone. Want to pick up your pace?
Yeah.
Okay, speed up to get into your zone. Burn that fat.
V pulls data from many sources, looking at your workout history, goals, and apps, including Google Fit and Apple Health Kit. Her biosensors detect real-time physiology, such as heart rate and exertion. She also knows your environment, like elevation, location, and weather. With this info, V can deliver tailored, real-time insight as natural speech. To make sure V and your music sound great, we partnered with Harman Kardon to put beautiful sound into your ears. V has you run to the beat to find the right step rate. You can follow immersive sound to get to the right pace. And you'll run through milestone beacons along the way to get updates on your progress.
3 miles down. You got this. 27 minutes, 46 seconds. Heart rate, 144 beats per minute.
Part of what we wanted to do with V was create an AI that was unlike any other out there. We wanted her to have a personality that actually had an edge to it, that felt more human and more real and more personal.
All right, let's hit another hill.
All right.
Okay, now you're pushing a little hard. Take it down a notch.
Okay.
V will now include a basic cycling mode on its first release, with real-time feedback on heart rate, speed, elevation, and distance. You'll be able to use a simple voice command to switch between run and cycle modes. Also, V will integrate with Strava to import and export all basic parameters.
The way that she was speaking to me was kind of like, it's very friendly, very human.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
First impressions, I really want one.
You're in the zone.
It does feel like you have someone right there just coaching you along the way.
There are endless amount of wearables today. Most of them provide lots of numbers, but no one is really telling you what's good for you.
Just like an expert coach, V wants to know what time do you wake up, how's the rest of your day? Are you sitting? Are you standing? Are you recovering well between your runs? She's pulling all this information to compile what is your lifestyle and how can we make not just you a better runner, but a more active person who's going to achieve better results.
Our company has a proven track record in delivering reliable and advanced wearable products to the most demanding clients. We gathered an amazing group of people with one simple mission: bring V to life.
Hey, focus! You're almost there, and you're close to setting a new personal best. Now, hit the gas! Give me everything you got! Go, 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 go! Yeah! Now that's what I'm talking about. New personal best. How's it feel, champ?
I'm not just any AI. I'm V. And I look forward to training with you.
If you love fitness or looking to love fitness, help us bring V to life. Join our journey, share with us any feedback or thought that will make us better, will make V better, and I promise you it's going to be a hell of a ride. Cheers.
Hey, I'm Wouter from Coma Electronic and this is our latest product, the Coma Electronic Field Kit. A little box made for experimentation with electroacoustic elements. The Field Kit is inspired by experimental electroacoustic performance techniques as discovered by our heroes like John Cage, Steve Reich and David Tudor. By using contact microphones and electromagnetic pickups, sensors and switches, you can generate sounds from ordinary objects and process it inside the Field Kit. The Field Kit is built up out of 7 different building blocks. In the middle of all of it is the 4-channel mixer. Each channel has a tone control, a volume control and a gain control. On top of that there is a little selector button over here with which you can send the signal to an auxiliary bus. That comes out over here. Of course, there is a master volume and a master output and a speaker volume and speaker output where you can switch between different channels to send to the speaker output. Next to the mixer you find the envelope follower. You send in a signal and the envelope follower sends out an envelope or a gate. You can set the control sensitivity here and play around with it and, for instance, control the DC interface. Down on the left we find the CV radio, which is an AM, FM and shortwave radio that you can set both by hand with this little button here, or you can search via CV over all bands. Next to the radio you find the LFO. It's a very basic and simple design that goes into audio rate, so you can also use it as a rudimentary normal oscillator. Here you can tune it, here you can set the range, and here you can set the waveform. Over there you have the output. Here in the bottom we'll find the signal interface, where you can use any type of sensor, plug it in on the bottom right here, set the level, set an offset, and get a CV signal out over here. The Field Kit is ideal for people who want to experiment with sound, with people that want to make their own sounds. It's ideal for sound designers, for people that just want to play in their living room, or, since it's so small, take it on the road. We have worked on the Field Kit for the last year and we are very happy that it's finally finished. This is the final prototype. We're ready for production and all we need is your pledge to make it happen. Thanks a lot for watching this video and thanks a lot for your support. Together we can make the Field Kit come to life. If you have any questions, let us know and please check out the awesome rewards under this video. This was Berlin. Bye bye.